Teacher Kelly here, coming at you really quickly today to talk a little bit about my super fast, super easy reward that I use when I just need something in a snap and need something fun and engaging. So here's what I do. I write on my hands. It's really simple. Just a little marker. Sometimes I write 1 and 2. Sometimes I draw shapes in different colors and have them pick. But all I do is write on my hands and take 2 objects, a star in one hand and an object in the other. It can be a magnet, it can be a 3D toy, whatever you want. And I will say, do you want 1 or 2? And you can pretend like you're moving them around, put them over your eyes, pull them back and forth. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then they'll pick. They'll say, I want 1. So you pull 2 down and then just say, you get a star. Or 2, you get a donut. Yay! So this is really easy to navigate throughout class because say we're to minute 16 and the student only has 2 stars. All I do is put 2 stars. It's 2 stars. Or say we're at minute 13 and they have 4 stars for some reason. They get 2 donuts. They don't know. So I feel like this is a good way to sort of manipulate the system to help the student enjoy the reward system as much as possible. I just put it up on my board. I like having a chalkboard that's magnetic because I feel like the colors of the rewards pop a lot more. And this is Teacher Kelly. I hope you enjoyed my super simple DIY hand find a star reward. I need to come up with a cooler name than that. If you think of one, let me know. Have a good day. Bye.